Okay.
Okay, here we are at in Bridgewater, and we're here to fix this fence. It's been leaning because of the river bank. You can see how much more it's leaned over. We did that side last week, and now we're back to this side. Come on over here, Zank, you can show them. We got the holes all dug out, and we're ready to pour our cement. I got the stakes and our wire to hold it down. Now I'm just going to pound in a few stakes here. Okay, got those in, the rest are done. Let's go check out John. There we go. Just let it sink down there a little bit. We don't want the cement to be too high. Okay, that should be good there, John. You can go to the next hole, okay? Level this out with our scoop. Okay, boom, there we go. That one's ready to go, all leveled, all staked. Okay, on to the next one.